Camera is an analytics engine unlike anything the swine industry has ever seen before, and it's available to the industry for the first time now.
I grew up in southwest Minnesota on a hog farm and row crop operation. And walking through the barns, I considered each element of the operation, but I did not realize how separating each element meant a different change to another element. And until recently, we weren't able to identify what happens to those elements and the overall outcome if we influence a change.
Precision ag has been very prominent in the row crop space for the last 20 years at least. When we look at the advantages and the opportunities that's created for those producers, we want to take those advantages and opportunities and bring those into the swine space. We can do that now with predictive analytics and with the utilization of programs like Camera. An optimized operation has the best chance at being a profitable operation. Camera uses data and analytics that come directly from that farmer to create a customized solution for the farmer.
When we welcome a new customer on board, we start to unravel some of their data that they have sitting essentially on their desk. And I will work with you by implementing the key performance indexes into Camera to create your baseline. Now, once we have this baseline, we're able to implement a change and understand the ripple effects.
We've identified about 800 different variables within a system, whether it's genetics, nutrition, particular barn specs. Camera is able to take a lot of complexities, all of the noise that all of this data creates. What this does is it tells you that this is what's happening, this is what you do. The result is practical, simple, and actionable advice.
At first, when producers put all their information into a computer software system, they're hesitant. But once they have introduced their operation into this Camera services system, they're able to make more informed decisions. When you're receiving consultative advice from your nutritionist, from your barn managers, from your commodity consultant, you have a lot of different biases where you're trying to distill and to make a managerial decision. This is where Camera filters all of those biases and creates a possible outcome for you to make an educated decision for your operation. Perfect. Anytime a producer like yourself implements a change in terms of different rations or ingredient inclusions or so forth, Camera helps you identify that change and how it becomes impactful to your operation.
If a change occurs within a specific production unit, we are now able to tell within a 1% margin of error how that change will affect the overall performance of that actual group of hogs.
Hog farming, it's a lot of work. While I was working on my family farm, I wish I had Camera services. It's able to distill all of those external factors into profit and loss and better enhances the role of the CEO, barn manager, nutritionist, and for the betterment of the operation.
We are introducing a technology that is completely new to the swine industry, and the only place to get access to this technology is INTLFC Stone.